Hi Lord, and welcome to another drinks review. We have the second drink in this series, the Frutee series. I think it's part of Fanta Pear Splash. It's 500ml plastic bottle. According to this, it's saying it's 270 calories. Bloody stickers. This is a 500ml plastic bottle, and it is a massive 270 calories for this. It's only pear. I got this in a quaint little shop in the village of Bettersacoid called Candy Hut. I've never had this before, so let me find out what this is all about. Alright, let's have a sniff. It should be interesting. I haven't done too many pear drinks. It's bearable, believe it or not. Well, I've tried something different, I'll give them that. It's not overwhelmingly pear, but it is definitely pear. Believe it or not, it's actually okay. I'm actually surprising myself here. I'm not exactly surprising myself, am I? If I was dancing around naked on a grave while singing Hallelujah, then I'd be surprising myself. It wouldn't be my first choice of drink, I'll tell you, if I went into a shop and there were a whole row of drinks. But for what it is, I like the challenge. I like trying new things. There's all the info. It's like a urine sample, isn't it? Oh. I'm going to give it a 4. It's quite an unusual taste. You don't often get too many pear fizzy drinks. Would I recommend it? I don't know, actually. Try it once, I don't know. But yeah, it's not something I'd want to buy again. Right, that's another one done. If you've watched this video, thank you. And there are more coming soon. But until then, goodbye.